What's up, everybody? Hopefully everyone is doing well. And what you see here is off quality silver. Silver that is heavily milk spotted, surface abrasions, and even scratches. Yes, off quality, non-retail friendly silver. I do not buy this silver for the purpose of stacking. I buy this silver solely to flip because I can get off quality silver cheaper than BU brilliant uncirculated silver. The more you buy, the better price that you can get when it comes to buying off quality silver. So if you buy a lot, you can get a better price on silver. It will help drive down your overall cost. Now, the good silver, BU silver, that is the silver that I keep for the personal stack. But why am I focusing on off quality? Again, I can get off quality cheaper. And since the market is showing strength and we're continuing to see higher in gold, silver prices, I can also offload off quality silver for profit. From there, I take the profits and then I roll it into gold. Again, my end game is more gold and to buy more gold. That's the end game. That's the long game. That's the goal. Yes, if I come across BU silver that I would like to have on hand, I definitely purchase that for the personal stack. Any other silver that I can get a good deal on, but I don't care to have long term, I will resell that, flip that into the market along with off quality silver. Take the proceeds and use those proceeds to help me purchase more gold. This makes sense for me due to the fact that, as you see, gold and silver is continuing to go higher in price. And it will become harder to buy gold. So it's best that I double down and focus more on building out that gold physical holdings in comparison to silver. No matter what the price of silver is, I can afford silver at a much and better price compared to gold. So I'd rather get as much gold as I can while the market conditions are allowing me to. So not only I'm saving money to buy, but I'm also flipping metals to help me build that cash position faster so I can buy the metal of my choice, which would be long-term, for long-term only, long-term, slow, steady growth, risk off, and to manage my risk, that'll be the metal gold. Risk on, volatility, that would be silver. You can utilize the volatility of silver to grow your portfolio. So there's nothing wrong with taking profits, selling off, and picking up something that is much stable than silver, and that will be gold. That is what you want when it comes for long-term risk off store of value. Yes, silver is also a store of value, but again, silver has its risk due to it can have some extreme price fluctuations because it is highly volatile. So silver is great to be in if you have time on your hands and you can stomach the volatility. Silver would be great for growth, but make sure you capture some of those profits and move that accordingly because of the volatility of silver. And if you're into metals and you want to have something that's more stable and that is a great long-term play, store of value with less volatility and it's risk off, physical gold is where you want to be at. So hopefully you understand the strategies that I use here because it does change as we continue to see market conditions change. So while the market is allowing me to pick up gold, I am going to continue to stack as much gold as possible. But I'm definitely going to keep the good stuff when it comes to silver for the personal stack because silver is still beautiful and most people came into the stacking world starting off with silver. So if you're still rocking with me this far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Stay motivated, stay dedicated, and keep hustling. Peace.